Hello guys, this is Emily sir. Welcome back to Dynamic Troubleshooters channel. Today I'm going to show you how can you upgrade your Cyberoam 100 ING to latest Sophos OS 17.5.4. Here you can see two of our firewall, Cyberoam firewall, where one is the Cyberoam CR759G, another one is the Cyberoam CR100ING. We have also an XG firewall, Sophos-XG 315 in one of our entity, but now we are going to upgrade our Cyberoam appliances to latest Sophos OS, but initially I'm going to upgrade this one, Cyberoam CR100ING, because this is deployed in one of our entity. Initially I'm going to experiment on this Sophos OS, how it will going to act, what will be the post-migration issues after upgrading Sophos OS to an Cyberoam appliances. After a successful experiment, or the result, or if the post-migration or post-upgradation result is positive, then I'm going to migrate my Cyberoam 759 ING to Sophos latest OS, because initially I'm not going to taking any risk, because this firewall is the main firewall for at least one of our at least 18 plus entities of our companies, so that's why I'm not taking risk with this one. Now I'm going to migrate this one at phase 1. Okay, to do this, let's check the final version of this. To check this, just go to system and then maintenance. Here you can see the current firmware version 10.6.6 MF3, which is the latest firmware version of Cyberoam. But now I'm going to migrate this one to Sophos 17.5.4. To do this, at first we need to log in Cyberoam customer portals. Here you can see the devices, registered devices. If you are not registered your devices, you have to register here. After that you can click on upgrade. It will redirect you to Sophos upgradation wizard, where you can choose upgrade to Sophos Firewall OS. Okay, and then you have to select which minimum firewall version which is required to upgrade to Sophos. Here as you can see, my firewall version already 10.6.6 above, so I can select this one and click next. Okay, after that it will redirect to this page. After click on upgrade, it will pop up a message that shows an account already created to my Sophos web portal. Then you have to go to my Sophos portals here, but initially you cannot log in to my Sophos portals with your Cyberoam credentials. You just have to follow some steps. That is, you can recover your password by selecting forgot password. After that, you can give your registered mail address to there, and then it will my Sophos will send a password reset link to your mail. After that, you can uh, create a new password for this, and then you will be able to log into these portals successfully. After that, it will redirect you to this page. From there, you just click on network protection. After click on that, you have to click view devices to view your registered devices here. After that, you can see your device is registered with this portal also. Then you can click on upgrade to download Sophos OS from my Sophos portals. After click on that, it will shows the Sophos firmware version, but here I already downloaded this one, 17.5.4. Okay, after click on that, it will be downloaded. You just have to put some information regarding your company or your designations. I mean job role in this company. This will be asked. After that, after a successful completion of this procedure, you can able to download this firmware. This is the procedure to download your Sophos firmware, and then the final steps. I'm going to upgrade Cyberoam 1066 NR3 to Sophos. To do that, we just have to click on upload firmware and then choose the downloaded Sophos OS. Here is this for Cyberoam CR100ING. This is for Cyberoam CR759G. I already downloaded this one. Okay, now I'm selecting this one and click on open. After that, I'm going to select upload and boot. You can also select upload firmware also. It just upload your firmware, but not reboot. If you select upload and boot, it will upload the firmware and then boot your several appliances to latest Sophos OS. Okay, here we go. I just click on upload and boot. It will pop up a message that the firmware will replace the active firmware image on your appliances. If you wanted to proceed, we just have to click OK. After that, it will take some time to upload this firmware. Let's see the upload speed. Okay, after successful upload, it will reboot the OS with the latest Sophos OS 17.5.4. Let's wait for the completion. I will be back. It's still uploading the armor. I will be back when it is completed. So here we go. After a successful upgradation, this is the login window of Sophos XG firewall. Here I'm going to log in that. Yes, now I'm able to log into the firewall. That's it today for today. In my upcoming videos, I'm going to make lots of videos on Sophos and FortiGate firewall as well. I hope you will be with me. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe the channels and hit the button. Okay, goodbye.